I want to show you how really, really easy it is to use our Perimenopause Premium Collagen. This is Perimenopause Collagen types 1 and 3. It's designed specifically for us, and it is amazing for joints, metabolism, skin, hair, nails. Perimenopause collagen being collagen that helps kind of like, it's the glue that holds things together in many ways. So if you've got problems, I don't know, osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, or just feeling like your knees creak when you go up and down stairs, for your skin, it might be that you feel that your skin is drier than it used to be, or it just feels a bit papery, or anything like that, your hair's drying out. This is amazing, and it's so easy to use. All you simply do in your morning coffee, or you can put it into any cold drinks or even just into any food. You get a couple of teaspoons. You can take between 5 to 15 grams of this a day. The pack is 250. So you could put one of these or two of these into your morning coffee or to your tea. I just put it into my morning coffee every day. It's tasteless, it's odourless, unlike marine collagen that's a little bit on the fishy side. And I bung just some milk in with mine. This is just in my morning coffee. These are our whizzes, but you can use any of them. I like this one because it's very helpful to have that little tray in. And you will literally whiz it up like this. And you're done. And because it's odourless and tasteless, you've just got your latte and you're good to go. It's that simple. It's 90% protein as well. It's got no carbs in it. It's got no sugars in it. You can't taste the difference in your coffee. What's not to love? Let me know if you've got any questions. I'll put the link down below and you can order it on our website.